You can imagine these speakers pump out some pretty loud music, and neighbors near the Courtney Campbell Causeway say they hear it all weekend long. News Channel 8's Alessandra Young is live there along the causeway for us, and some of the people that she spoke to tonight can still hear the music from miles away. Alessandra?
Good evening, Jen. Yes, now right now it's really quiet outside here, minus just a little bit of traffic. But people I spoke with said that this is not the case on the weekends because they are constantly being woken up by extremely loud music all hours of the morning. People that live along the Courtney Campbell Causeway are saying enough is enough with the loud music.
When you're woken up 2, 3 in the morning and then your adrenaline gets going, it's hard to fall back asleep. Then you're kind of wrecked the next day.
Some of these people have some sound systems that really can carry a lot farther than others, so it depends on the night.
Residents I spoke with say it's been an issue for years, and it's mostly happening on the weekends.
I've come out here and I've broken it up. We've called the police. I attended a city council meeting, 2 of them in December, to get some awareness. And you know, whatever we can do. I think what people ultimately want is just peace and quiet.
They say these crazy big speakers have loud bass that travels across the water and into their homes.
I live 4.9 miles from where we're standing, and I hear it very clearly, almost to the point where it sounds like it's maybe my son playing a stereo in the house or a neighbor.
It's really quite invasive to have somebody playing music this loud. I speculated whether these people are aware that their music carry that far.
And people in the community are fed up.
We hear it. There have been people in my neighborhood who have complained on the Nextdoor app, and I've gotten involved in those conversations. The surprising part is that a lot of people, if not most, don't realize where it's actually coming from.
The Tampa Police Department says they've been getting calls about the noise issue for years and that they're motivated to fix it. They just need the people who are calling to be willing to work with the police to file a complaint. Tampa Police says they are increasing the amount of patrolling that's happening in the area, and if you are playing extremely loud music, you're going to get a warning, and then if it continues, you could get hit with a citation. Live in Tampa, Alessandra Young, 8 on your side.